beauty family, welcome back to MP Trust Treats TV. It's Alicia here, and today I'm going to give you a quick video on a scarf style for you to wear like to the beach, to the lake, on vacation. It's really quick. It's actually the July scarf for the Scarf Club. So this scarf was sent exclusively to Scarf Club members. And again, it's a quick scarf style, and it's basically to help you protect your hair and scalp from the sun while you are hanging out, getting that tan. We don't want your hair to get dry. We don't want your scalp to burn. So it's just like it's just a quick scarf style for an added layer of protection from the sun. So it's right after this little intro. Enjoy the video. Love ya.